Hey guys, good evening, Saturday evening, and we have a Dio. I wouldn't say couple, but Dio, those partner in crime, you know, two lovely ladies here who are joining in, who are very passionate about people, and that's one reason they are in the business of human resources, where they're trying to do a lot of things around people, including training, placements, workshops, which will make a lot of difference for companies, small and big, including startups, because it's a generation of startups. So they are here to do miracles for your organization with the right people who are doing the right things for your organization. So yeah, Rashi and Vandana, please welcome to the show. We've always had couples. This is the first time we're having two ladies joining a DO session. So you get the honor for doing it. So lifelong, you can say we were the first ones to, be on work TV as DO, as two lady colleagues or besties. So nice having
We
you.
we
So
are the trendsetters.
you are the
We are
trendsetter.
two friends ready to conquer the world.
सुपर. So कौन शुरू करेगा पहले, राशि या वंदना? Who would start first?
We can't even say ladies first now.
Yeah,
नहीं नहीं हम अल्फाबेटिकली जाते हैं राशि गोयल फर्स्ट.
yeah, Rashi going first.
Yes, yeah. So I have to tell about myself. I am a in and out Delhi girl.
Mhm.
Spent my graduation days till like born and brought up in Delhi. Spent all my time in Delhi till I was a graduate. Moved to Bhubaneswar for my masters. Moved to Goa for my first job. Then
My
I'm now
God.
in Mumbai and all settled with my own organization to carry forward. Um, I mean, that's about me in terms of my profession. I am an HR professional. I did my master's in that subject. So basically, life had two choices: marketing or HR. I was like, either ways, you're understanding behavior of human beings, and that is the most interesting subject I have ever come across. So
Hmm.
that's why the reason being in HR, and I love doing my job, and that's the passion that I've had. Apart from that, I have been a professional dancer for some time in my life, so that's the only interesting bit I find apart from my profession in my entire life. So yeah, that's about me.
सुपर. ये कहाँ मिल गया आपको?
वंदना का
Oh,
ये दुनिया में ऐसी चीजें होती रहती है ऐसे कांड लाइफ में हो जाते हैं कभी कभार so Vanda and me came across last year we met sometime in June July last year that's the first time we interacted
Mhm.
we met for some work assignment we were organizers of a event so that's when we met and I think first day we met was definitely
Mhm.
it was
had I
more of
been the
a
other
jab we met.
जब we
Jab
met
we met. Good,
yeah
nice. So Vandana, over to
Yes.
you.
So yeah, with Ravi and Rashi saying a lot of things about her. I am totally a small town girl. I belong to a small town in Jharkhand, which is Sindri. And from there I have traveled across India. I did my graduation from Hyderabad, did my MBA from Pune, worked in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Gurgaon, got married in Gurgaon, then moved on to Mumbai, and after working for around 12 years into the HR sector, my last organization was United Health Group. I decided, I have spent enough time working for others. And now it's time to work for myself and, probably do something which will help me gain, support other people and create a ecosystem which is for India by Indians. And that was the
Right.
entire idea
She's got the
behind
punchline right
Delhi
now.
Unicorn.
So quit China movement चल रहा है. So for India, by Indians. Good one.
being Atmanirbhar now
So what is best about Rashi is this that he has worked for many Indian companies. And in my career, all I have worked is all American companies.
Okay.
Okay.
So
And that's
yeah,
a very big
that's
difference.
the.
So now you know why this thought of India.
वंदना, ये बताओ, शादी राशि से मिलने के बाद हुई या आपकी पहली हो गई थी?
अगर बात होती तो हम आपस में कर लेते हैं. ऐसा हमने
दोनों
उस
पहले होती थी वो जो मैरिड बिफोर वी मेट
Okay, some
and like
learning for me today, because it looks like, some startups are happening where after they get married, after a couple of years they decide that नहीं, ये नहीं हो रहा, मतलब I'm not satisfied with this, so let's do a startup and then find a right partner and then do it again. So good. So
This department, I think both of us would have been lucky because we have partners who have been like pillars to us, both
Yeah.
of us.
Super. So what is the similarity? मतलब दोनों के you've spoken about differences between both of you, where you've worked in different sort of companies, Indian and MNC. So what are the similarities between both of you?
I'd say the only similarity we have is the passion we have for HR as a profession. Everything else is worlds apart, because that's I think the reason we fight a lot on calls the entire day. We are just one thought, one thing that we fix in our company, Ravi, it has to go through a discussion of minimum 3 to 4 hours. Any one post on any social media, any one proposal we are sending to a client, it takes minimum 3 to 4 hours to have that passed by Miss Rashi Goyal and Miss Vandana Teji.
And
That is because everything else is different.
on this topic, how are your spouses feeling about this 3 hours discussion for every topic and all that? मतलब शादी करके उन लोग को धोखा दे दिया, तुम दोनों डिस्कस कर रहे हो यहाँ पे.
I think no. I think they're more happy because we fight amongst ourselves, so we don't fight with them anymore. We are too tired to fight with them.
That's a good point.
Yeah, I think one more thing which has actually tied both me and Rashi, apart from the passion of HR, is we both are people who love to call a spade, and we really celebrate our differences.
Hmm.
And it's irrespective that मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it's amazing that we have got two different opinions. हमको कोई और critic कर ही नहीं सकता है. हम आपस में काफी है.
Yeah, and that's how the best friends, BFFs, get created. Not people who have similar thought process, because that's when they have one point where there is a misunderstanding, बिछड़ जाते हैं, मतलब दोनों separate हो जाते हैं. But people who always have differences of opinion are always critics for each other. Your expectation is that दोनों का झगड़ा तो हम लोग हर दिन करते हैं, but we are together. Good.
We've reached that acceptance now. Initially, it was a little bothering when we started working together, that why are we fighting every day? One small thing, then I would like, Vandana, ab baat nahi kar rahe. It's enough for the day. Like, we can't fight anymore. Then we'd again start a call next day, start fighting. But in these 3 months in lockdown, I think we have fought so much that now it's acceptable.
And you
Now
guys,
it's a new normal for us.
and both of you are in the same city?
No, that is the best part. That although
Currently,
we
we are
moved
in
out
the
to
same city.
Bombay, she is right now in Delhi and I am based out of Mumbai. So that's how it is working.
Good. So any times, any plans of moving in together? ऐसा कुछ है?
नहीं अभी
No,
इतना
no.
प्लान नहीं किया है. I am actually afraid of going back to Mumbai because इतनी लड़ाई के बाद I think the moment I land, she will just kill me. I'm trying to stay put for as long. I don't know if Corona will kill me, but Vandana Teji definitely will.
So I
Okay.
keep telling कि राशि को मतलब I don't need any critics, okay, and in life, and I have Rashi. ठीक है.
So what is that one critic recently which Rashi differentiated or had a difference on opinion on what you decided on? This is for Vandana.
Oh. Oh, you want me to one? Okay.
Yeah,
that's
one
difficult.
incident. Full detail में एक
I'll tell you, she is mad about design and grammar, okay, and she wants it the way she wants it. If you want to add a little flowery structure to that entire proposal, Rashi will cut it down. She'll break it down to pieces until you die. There's no a life left in that word. That is the treatment I get. I'm like, I suggested, I'm sorry. My heart is like, why did you even say that?
That's how I think the contrast comes. That's how we have divided our social media platforms also. Like, I take care of LinkedIn, where you have to be strictly professional, where you have to write the right stuff, and Vandana takes care of Instagram, where you can put all the GIFs that you want, and you can put all the colors that you want, and any language, any short forms.
But try someday doing on whatever Vandana wants, the way she posts on Instagram, on LinkedIn. and see the reaction, because on LinkedIn the set of audience you have are so bored seeing the same stuff again and again, and तुम थोड़ा हटके कुछ दिखा रहे हो उनको. I mean, whatever the content you're posting is as lively as on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. I mean, Twitter में तो नहीं रहता, but ये दोनों में, if put it on this thing, it really works better, because I've tried it myself. Couple of videos I've shared it on LinkedIn, though they're different set of audience altogether. But yeah, people will be like, ये क्या लगा दिया? At least that way you're getting the attention. Otherwise they'll just scroll up. So एक बार try करके
So initially-
एक बार वंदना को chance दे दो.
The
I
plan
really
was
appreciate
earlier-
Ravi, that you tried.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for.
and Vandana, make sure it is as colorful, as freaky it is possible, and with this approval, hatke lagao thoda, and let me know how this goes. Okay.
Yeah. The initial plan was that we'll alternate the months that we handle our social media, so that there's some variety which comes in.
That's
But
a
I
good
was
idea.
so scared that I was like, firstly, I can't do Instagram. What you have done with Instagram, she's totally turned around the page. Like, I could never have achieved that level of traction. I was like, firstly, if you give me that handle, it's dead. Assume it's dead. Secondly, I don't think I can handle you handling the LinkedIn page. I am too scared of that. So maybe one day I will try that. But currently, I don't know.
Yeah.
So I'm
One day,
happy
like
using my
1 day,
personal
1 minute
LinkedIn.
CM. One day, Vandana, you're responsible for LinkedIn, and share it with
Then
me
I-
also. After
No, then
24
I
hours.
put an announcement on the page in the morning itself. Today, Vandana Teji is handling the page. Beware.
That's a good idea.
So, moving ahead, both styles are totally different. I'm a storyteller, and she is like, okay, this is the crisp communication, and this is something which has to go. So that's the difference. Anyway. So one thing I wanted to add about myself is that apart from doing HR, I am also somebody who is a Government of India resource person for prevention of sexual harassment of women at workplace. So I work a lot towards that. I try to create awareness through various channels. I work as an external member with corporates, as well as I conduct social media awareness. I try to do open sessions. I organize open sessions so that we can actually spread the word. The reason being, I think currently the problem of sexual harassment is so much that and irrespective of whatever is the situation of women or people who are working at offices, talking about sexual harassment is still a taboo in India.
Yeah.
Although the person doing is the one who is the major culprit, and he or she is the one who should be questioned when they do sexual harassment. However, the situation is totally the other way around. It is ulta. People, the moment you tell that you are being sexually harassed, you are judged, and people do it left, right and center, and अपनी बात ऐसे सामने से बोल देते हैं कि अरे ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता, वो बंदी ऐसा कर ही नहीं सकती, वो बंदा ऐसा कर ही नहीं सकता, and this person is just lying. And irrespective of so much of awareness that we at our level we are trying to raise, however, the number of cases which is reported is very shocking. It is somewhere around 88-89% of cases that are not reported at all.
True.
So we are like somewhere around 12%ish which gets reported.
Ask me because
the biggest.
yeah, ask me because work, the main motto when we started, we do workshops. I personally do workshops along with my team in colleges, especially for code of conduct and true performance. And we talk about true stories which actually happened in corporates. And this is what I've seen in last 20 years. These are true stories with obviously names and brand names manipulated or not shared. And yeah, that's my favorite subject, honestly. If you're into the same thing, that's like, we are passionate about spreading the news about the same thing. But yeah, any help,
Indeed.
code of conduct workshops and all that, most welcome. It would be honor to spread the word out. And you are in the right place because a lot of corporates need that, and they need it as a third party. क्या होता है, lot
Exactly.
of people have HR and these structures in the organization already built in. They doing the same workshops. Who will come open up and share the things that हाँ ये हुआ है करके, because they're part of the organizations, and obvious bias हो जाता है. So we need people like you who go into the organization as a third party where the employee can confidently open up, discuss if there is any issue while in the office or outside the office. You just share the number, come out, or share the email ID, come out, and they can freely talk to you once they're out.
Correct.
If you guys are doing
Indeed.
it, you guys are doing an amazing job. I didn't know. I thought it's just a typical HR stuff you're doing, and if you are more into this, amazing.
We
So we
are
are
the
more into-
unicorns.
Yeah. So I mean, like that's why we are, like, when we say our company's name, we say we are the new age HR partners. We don't say that we are just an HR consulting company or we will assist you in HR. The idea is that we know workplaces have evolved, but the thought processes that so far run in the entire system are so orthodox in a way that it's suffocating for the new generation to survive in those environment. And for a lot of open-minded people, why just the new generation? There are a lot of people in the baby boomer age also who are very open-minded, and it's very difficult. If you talk in diversity at work itself, we have been talking about women diversity. We all completely forget about the LGBTQI community. We forget about the persons with disability. We forget about so many other, people, and we totally forget about the mental differences that all of us have. Diversity plays a very major role at all of these aspects. When Vandana talks about creating a safe workplace for women, I know she also talks about creating a safe workplace for everyone, because sexual harassment is again not something which only women face. Men also face it.
Yeah.
Other genders as well.
I also gone through it. So it.
Exactly. And I mean, can in an organization, while I say today, maybe there are mature organizations where a female can come up and say that I was sexually harassed, and a company might take some actions against it. There are a lot of organizations a man cannot even come out and say that I was harassed.
True.
So, I mean, that's the dichotomy, and that's where we want to play a very major role in creating that workplaces which are safe for everyone, which are just not safe but cool to work with, which are fun to work with, which is just a place you want to get up in the morning and go out and work for,
True passion.
not just drag yourself.
Yeah. And it is tough job.
That,
So, so I have a question for you. I mean, this is not part of rapid fire question, but yeah, let's take it as one of the questions for you. And we will, you both will answer separately. So first Rashi and then Vandana. Okay.
Okay.
So there is a code of conduct which is filed, against a CEO from a biggest brand, and they hire you as the third party consultants or the organization who will review it and do it, and you immediately get a threatening call on behalf of the CEO or from the CEO directly saying that अगर कुछ लफड़ा किया तो अंजाम बुरा होगा. So what would you do, Rashi? First, your turn.
Ravi, I said I'm from Delhi. So there are few words which come to my mind very instantly, which I will not use on this platform. But maybe that would be my first response. I mean, for me, working ethically is the thing. There is no one or nothing in the organization or in the world per se which will stop me from doing if it's the right thing to do. And I don't think it will deter me in any way. I might just make a call to Vandana first and then to the police station saying some of these things have happened, and maybe take the necessary precautions, but it will still not hamper the work, that the findings. I will still be unbiased, even if the person may or may not be the culprit or however the scene be, but I'll still be unbiased in the process.
I'll tell you,
What would
I
you
have
do,
something as
Vandana?
a personal experience. Okay. Now the 12 years of experience you see and working across India, I have met very type of people. Probably not a CEO call, but a person from a political background called me after I interviewed his son in Gurgaon. This is when I was hiring in Gurgaon. I was working as a recruitment professional in Gurgaon. And that's the when I got a call that you have to hire this person, and that person couldn't clear the technical round, and there's no way I could. I launched a cyber complaint for him in Gurgaon, and to my really, to my surprise, the way police treated it was amazing. And that day, my what do I say, faith in the system increased, because the SP himself called me after like 6 months to check upon that I hope everything is fine and things have been taken care and you're not getting any more threatening calls. So that did happen.
Wow, that's good. So तुम क्या करोगे?
मैं
हाँ, ये तो स्टोरी बताया जो
अभी भी
पता
वही
हुआ, क्या करोगे? अभी भी वही करोगे?
अभी भी वही करूंगी,
Okay.
किसी से डर नहीं लगता.
Yeah. Rashi, you get a call from Vandana in the late night. She says, I just got an Audi का keys. Audi खड़ी है नीचे. I'm like compromised. मुझे लगता है ये Audi तो हम लोग मतलब 20 साल में भी नहीं खरीद पाएंगे. Struggling with this, all these challenges and all that. मैंने Audi ले ली है. अब तुम्हारी मर्जी. I have to convince you that chill, light ले लो ये केस को, किसी और को सौंप के Audi में चलेंगे कहीं पे. What would be your
मतलब ये खरीद के लाए या चाबी उठा लिए कहीं से?
नहीं, चाबी गिफ्ट दिया गया था, उसको कन्विंस कर लिया, गिफ्ट मिल गया उसको, वो ले भी ली और उसके बाद तुमको फोन कर रही है कि गाड़ी मिल गई, अब लाइट ले ले, मतलब छोड़ दे वो केस को.
I'll tell her, choose between me or the Audi.
This is gonna happen for sure. नहीं, the first statement, पागल हो गई है.
मैं कहूंगी सपने से उठ जा. फर्स्ट रिएक्शन will be सपने से उठ जा. If this happens in the next 1 year, I'll first reaction will be that. But if she persists, I'll say choose between me and Audi.
Yes.
What would you do, Vandana,
That's
if the same
But
call
I-
from Rashi, a similar
नहीं
call
होगा.
from Rashi, what would you do, Vandana? Rashi has compromised. She has taken a car, keys ले ली, गाड़ी ले ली, ride पे भी जाए, मतलब from the car she is calling her. Vandana, it's an awesome drive. तो लग रहा है गाड़ी बहुत अच्छी है. I don't think so. I can give this गाड़ी back. So क्या करेंगे? So what would you say?
मैं तो नीचे आऊंगी, गाड़ी चलाऊंगी और जाके नियरेस्ट पुलिस स्टेशन पे पार्क कर दूंगी. चलो ये रहा, along with Rashi.
कम से कम मैं तुझे अरेस्ट तो नहीं करवा रही थी वरना.
नहीं, along with you, फिर उसके बाद ऑटो बुलाऊंगी, फिर हम दोनों बैठ के आ जाएंगे. पुलिस गाड़ी का ख्याल रखेगी.
मुझे वापस ले आना बस.
हाँ, नहीं, तुझे कैसे छोड़ सकती हूँ.
Okay, let's get on to the fun part. As if we've been already
Okay.
having fun, from the time we've started. So yeah, rapid fire questions. Okay, so both of you have to answer simultaneously as to what would be your responses. Okay, so pehle Rashi, because she is on the left hand side, and then Vandana. As soon as Rashi answers, Vandana, you answer your. Okay, what type of food do you like?
Chinese.
मीठा.
Meetha. Anything
Yes,
meetha.
I like
Anything
Okay.
anything sweet.
शक्कर.
Okay, color of your toothbrush.
Blue.
White.
Okay. Okay, if you could be an animal, whom would you be and why?
Peacock.
Cat.
Okay.
It's a bird, but I please accept the answer.
I am a cat already.
Superhero.
Superhero.
Wonder
I-
Woman, obviously.
Hey, first Rashi and then Vandana. Okay, Rashi answer
Spider.
करने के बाद ही you can answer.
Yeah. Vanna, please play by the rules.
So what is it?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Okay.
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman. Favorite summer activity?
Sleeping. It's the same across the all seasons. It doesn't change.
For me, it is water sports. I love water sports.
Okay. Favorite cartoon?
Mickey Mouse. Oh no,
Wow.
Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry. Yeah.
Decide कर लो. Garfield.
Okay. What time you go to sleep?
जब नींद आता है.
My lights are off at 11 o'clock, but then, we can sleep at 4 as well. So there's no, and we can chat in the night also.
Okay, so what does your spouse talk about the passion you guys have?
I think initially pagal. And then once they saw that it was actually true, they were like, हाँ चलो कुछ बढ़िया ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तुम बनाओगे तो हम वही ज्वाइन कर लेंगे.
Both of them. Both of them are like that. पहले
What-
तुम अपनी कंपनी खड़ी करो, हम ज्वाइन कर लेंगे.
one thing that annoys you about the other person.
I think we've discussed it already.
Other
Vandana,
person, not each other. Each other.
Yeah,
each other.
yeah.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा.
I think
Most annoying thing. One most annoying thing. One word में बताना है.
एक सोचने में टाइम लग रहा है मुझे. I think हाँ, the flowery things when she brings too much flowery stuff when we are working.
And she's too practical.
हाँ.
Where is the fun?
A strangest thing that you've eaten.
I'm very safe with food. I have not experimented much.
I ate silkworm.
Oh my God. Superwoman.
That
Definitely
was
super.
my
Definitely
favorite.
superwoman. Definitely superwoman.
That is Wonder Woman, man. You gotta get it.
Wonder Woman.
Yeah. So, I had my roommate in graduation in Hyderabad. And so, she was from Nagaland. Okay. And it was something which was like respecting her tradition. So whenever हमारे घर से डब्बा आता था, तो she used to eat. Okay. And when she got a dabba from her home, nobody was eating. And I just ate it.
Good.
I couldn't do that. She's too sweet.
So your biggest addiction apart from talking to each other?
Phone.
For me, music.
Music. Okay. Yeah, favorite music?
Bollywood. Anything Kishore Kumar.
For me, it's like varied. I can listen Beatles, I can listen jazz, I can listen Bollywood. मेरा mood पे.
Your favorite TV channel, just in case you get time seeing TV after you're finishing your talks.
TV channel. I would say Star World.
I don't have a TV connection. I use internet TV. I am sorry. I only watch Netflix.
Netflix is your channel.
Good one. I like you, Vandana. I really like you because I also don't have TV except for my mom. She's got a different connection. But yeah, we are completely on internet streaming. Yeah. Why should we pay for DTH? I really don't see a reason for seeing ads. You're paying 400 to 500 rupees per subscription. Yeah, I don't see any reason. Yeah. Right, Vandana? So
That was the main reason we disconnected it. Me and my husband did a cost analysis, user analysis, and it's like, we rarely watch TV. It's mostly on our laptops we are. So let's.
By the way, I forgot to mention Vandana is married to the male version of Rashi Goel.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
It's the entire cost analysis thing. Vandana will never do that, Ravi. Vandana will never do that.
Yeah. So anytime Vandana is getting sick, that's what she shouldn't. But anytime you have a replacement ready, Rashi. So then that's a good part with your organization now.
He's already there.
He's
Whenever
already
he's
half.
sitting, half already he's there. Whenever we need any digital marketing advices, he chamkao his ball on us.
So what is one thing which is really cool about HR?
We are the unofficial psychologist, your police officer, your fireman. We are everything. And if you can't blame your manager, blame the HR. That's the coolest thing about being an HR in a company.
For me, I think the coolest thing about being the HR of the company is that you are that one person who can actually influence the culture in your company. You have that power, super
True.
power.
सीईओ को भी नीचे झुका के रंगोली बनवा सकते हैं.
है
Actually,
किसी का
that's the way. Good one. Did favorite beverage?
Coca-Cola.
beverage is coffee only for me. Coffee.
Okay. What is that
All
one
I
skill
drink
you
is
cannot do? You're really
Sorry?
bad at. One thing you're really bad at.
Art. I can't draw.
I can't skate. I have tried and I've fallen so many times.
Same
I
here.
can't skate.
Same here. I broke my back last time. I tried using my kid's skate. I thought it's as easy as he was doing. And yeah, there was an
I have my
earthquake with
brother.
Richter scale 2.3 or something. After I fell down.
Oh. So here we have a sports thing. What is that known as? Smash. Smash.
Hmm.
I did the same thing to my tailbone 3 years back. And then I
Yeah.
got that donut cushion.
What
TMI Vandana.
What is that one word which the other person frequently uses while talking?
You know.
Important. Very important.
सब कुछ important. I agree. Very important. Everything very important.
Very important. So each slide I can say that.
And the other person would to talk about me.
Oh.
I was saying your name. You know. You always say you know.
Ah.
Okay.
Cushion.
Yeah.
It's mostly the frown. There are times people don't say. They just make that face. Yeah. Rashi.
So, Rashi, if you have to dedicate one song and compare Vandana with one celebrity, so whom would you do that? एक
With
song.
one
जैसे
second.
वंदना आती है पीछे से बैकग्राउंड सॉन्ग आता होगा मतलब which will really suit her and this personality similar personality in Bollywood.
The song which I can think of is किसी के हाथ ना आएगी ये लड़की.
Oh my god, okay.
That song. I don't think I've seen anyone that fun in Bollywood to be Vandana Teji. But कोई है? I think Divya Datta maybe because I liked her a lot.
Oh my god. What about you, Vandana?
Oh. I'm so confused. The songs. And Vandana Teji is so confused again. You're my sunshine, yeah. She's my sunshine.
तो डायरेक्ट बॉलीवुड हॉलीवुड लेके चले गई तुमको. Yeah.
The Beatles ka song hai, and that song is so positive. And so sometimes, when I'm really depressed, irritated, Rashi is my sunshine. It really happens to me.
But you told me before the show that because of Rashi you get irritated, and for getting that irritation covered, also you are hearing Rashi's song.
So what happens is basically Ravi, she gets irritated by me and then she'll take a 30-minute break. She'll call me again so that she can, sort of talk to me about me.
So what happens, okay, I'll tell you, you should know this. So initially, in the first 2 months, when we started working, and Rashi used to switch off herself after the 3rd day of the week, like a Wednesday. Rashi's off. अब मेरे से काम नहीं होगा. And she will not answer your phone. You can keep calling her. She will not answer your messages. She will not even read your messages you are sending. And you're just confused. And when I'm so and I know that's her coping mechanism. Okay, when she's just over, she sleeps. So you can't talk to a person like that. So I keep telling her, the moment you think that it is getting a little over, tell me, bhai, what have I done? I don't know. I just keep thinking, what did I do to her?
But yeah, Rashi, I do the same thing. I generally, when very too much लगता है, तो I put my phone data off. कभी-कभी WhatsApp से बाहर. So good. We have some
Ravi sleep. I just go up to sleep. अगर ज़्यादा काम है तो सो जाओ.
So she will sleep for 18, 24 hours continuously. You're getting my point. So that's my problem. It's not 1 or 2 hours ka sleep. That's not breaking. And her husband doesn't make her also.
अरे उसको घर में शांति मिल रही है.
Now this is the last question, most difficult question for both of you. सोच समझ के जवाब देना, because this is going on air and this will make a lot of difference for many people around. Are you ready? Sure?
All up. Yeah.
Yeah? Most important question. How many hours do you spend with your spouses?
I think the optimum.
इसके रेस्पॉन्सेस भी लिंक्डइन के रेस्पॉन्सेस है. हाँ वंदना, इसके रेस्पॉन्सेस भी लिंक्डइन के रेस्पॉन्सेस है, एकदम मतलब डिप्लोमेटिकली, कॉर्पोरेटिवली, स्ट्रैटेजिकली करेक्ट आंसर्स.
उसकी गलती नहीं है इसमें. जिस टाइम वो फ्री हो जाती, पति कॉल पे होता है. सारा टाइम वो कॉल पे होता है. So he is like a background music. सुन रहा है, मुझे मारेगा.
मैं वही बोलने वाली थी, मेरे को वंदना मिलना भी है अभी.
I'm sorry. I'm not here.
So, with this combination of both of you guys with so many differences but still together, so what would you guys do if you guys become the chief minister as a DO, joint chief minister? So, कौन से area पे focus करोगे?
Yeah, I think the leadership is what we'll focus on. I think that's one thing, because if you just get the right leaders in place, creating the culture is so easy, doing all the work nicely is so easy. I think everything, उसके बाद हमें बाकी सब चीजों के बारे में सोचने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. If just the right leaders are placed at the right place, so the placement of right people at the right, identifying their skills and giving them the right ministries. So I think that's something.
वंदना?
Indeed. In fact, उससे ज्यादा मतलब इम्पोर्टेंट कुछ नहीं है. बिकॉज अगर वो इंडिया को एक कॉर्पोरेट के जैसा सेटअप के जैसा इफ वी थिंक, ओके, द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इज द लीडर ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. प्रॉब्लम और सोल्यूशन. इफ द लीडर हैज दैट ओपन मेंटालिटी टू एक्सेप्ट चेंजेस, मेक सोल्यूशन, मेरा पॉइंट यही है, whenever they are at this position, everybody eats. No problem in eating. You have to eat. That comes with the job role. Okay? But you have to understand, if you start eating everything, there's actually not left enough for the janta.
True. So true. So based on your experience and what you've seen, so how do you rate me as a leader?
That's a lot of stuff that goes into rating a leader, Ravi. I mean, based on a few minutes interaction is not how we judge a leader. Coming from a purely HR perspective, we'll have to run a psychometric test. We'll have to do a competency assessment exercise.
LinkedIn
and then we
आ गई.
might
वंदना
judge
तुम
the
बताओ,
leader.
ये नहीं सुना मेरे को. तुम बताओ वंदना. कुछ ऑप्शन है तो वो LinkedIn मोड ऑफ कर दो ना इसका, थोड़ा बात पर रिसर्च करके.
No.
वंदना बहुत टाइम से बटन ढूंढ रही है, मिल नहीं रहा.
वो एग्जिस्ट ही ऐसे करती है. मैं तो बोलती ही हूँ कि मतलब भैया ये एंड आंटी इज द ओनली वन टॉलरेटिंग ऑल ऑफ देम.
मम्मी भी देख रही है.
हाँ. So okay. So I think for me, I think as far as basis the conversation that we had, okay, today, and I have seen you have actually tried to create a atmosphere in which people can see other people's talent, okay, and that itself I think it talks about the leadership style which is progressive, which is welcoming, and someone who wants to set an example, wherein that this is how you lead. You really don't be there to talk about yourself. You be there to let the world know that there are other people, there are so many talents. Take a moment, recognize.
देखो राशि, देखो सीखो.
इसलिए Ravi, there are two people in the company. There are all sorts of people that we meet. So we decide that the person who's meeting us, who will they better gel with? Will they gel with Rashi or Vandana? And accordingly, we divide our prospective clients.
And we never cross call.
Nice. Good. Thank you guys. I mean, you're like an amazing combo of chote patakas, in an organization, we're doing a lot of things, and it's not easy. I mean, HR. A lot of people think that yeah, it's just another recruiting company. It's just another HR wing. This is ये कोई भी कर सकता है, but it takes much more than that. It takes the way. I mean, I've seen both of you. Acceptance is very important for any employee to come forward and discuss things. And a lot of things can be resolved by just discussions, talk, somebody venting out their issue, and you basically speaking or addressing that particular issue. And you guys are there where you're in a way with your humor and with the way you're accepting things. I think you are very good at lending your ears to whoever is coming forward. So charge out, whatever you're doing. So do well, and whenever you need help from work as a platform or as an individual, any of our team members will definitely help you out in whatever you're doing. So keep up the good job. So don't get tempted with Audi and other stuff like how Rashi has done. So so keep up your good work. Do well. And any message you want to share with our friends on this particular platform, feel free to do that now.
Vandana, go ahead.
Guys, I have two messages, two small ones.
Yeah, please.
One is please don't shut up people if they want to come up to you and express themselves. So whether it is their their choice of gender, choice of partner, or a situation which has happened, just give them a shoulder to lean on. बहुत बार लोग सिर्फ बोलना चाहते हैं, उनकी बात आप सुन लो तो शायद आप उन्हें ज्यादा हेल्प कर सकते हो. डोंट जज देम. जज करने के लिए तो पूरी की पूरी सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट, पूरी जुडिशरी सिस्टम बनी हुई है, वो कर लेंगे जज, उनका काम है. So that's one request. Secondly, guys, इंडिया में बहुत सारी MNCs हैं और बहुत सारी SMEs हैं, और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि the SMEs have the power of becoming big companies.
True.
Okay, and not just me, the world knows that. Okay, however, the reason कि हम सोचते हैं कि अभी हम छोटे हैं, अभी हम ये नहीं करेंगे, and we don't create those departments, we don't create the right policies at the very beginning, and जिसके कारण what happens, you continue to run like like a unorganized or company, even after having 100, 200, 300. So you are adding manpower after manpower, but there is no policy happening. And if you see, there is not really the profit margins are also not going accordingly. And the reason being, क्योंकि लोग उस जगह पे तभी आ रहे हैं जब उनका स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द करियर होता है. They don't treat it as a full time or a permanent opportunity because you don't treat them well. You don't give them an MNC culture. I think in Indian SMEs will have to decide that if they don't give them MNC cultures, they will continue to face resource crunch and growth problems and money problem which we are facing today.
True, so true. So yeah, thank you, Vandana and Rashi. Whatever you said is rightly said. And this is a startup culture. I have seen organizations which really grow well. There are startups which are struggling but need HR angle. And if they can take your support and instead of hiring a full-time HR, which is definitely recommended, but if their budget doesn't suit, so they can always take help of organizations like you, because you are the right fit there. And I have seen organizations which become big once they start seeing success. Whoever leader has got that success, they give so much of empowerment, which basically they mislead, and they actually take wrong decisions. They become the monopoly. The leader becomes the monopoly, and whatever he says is the right way or the highway. So some of these things need to be addressed. So you always need an external party. So friends, do follow Rashi and Vandana and their organizations where they're doing stuff differently. We'll share the links below. And any help you need, any suggestions you need, and if you're a startup where you're missing that angle of HR, you feel free to reach out with them and check what they can do for you. And thank you for joining, Vandana and Rashi. good, awesome
Thank
soul.
you so
We need young people like you taking up such initiatives and moving forward. Code of conduct, my favorite thing. Code of conduct and sexual harassment are my favorite topics. So any help you need, any time, do let me know. And we as a team, we would
Definitely.
do our best to pass on the message and
Sure.
educate people. So lovely having you
Indeed.
guys, and it was fun. I
Pleasure.
thoroughly enjoyed. I
Super.
hope you guys also enjoyed.
Yes.
much. Yes, great fun, great fun.
Super. Enjoyed it.
God bless in whatever you're doing. Take care.
Thank you so much,
Hello.
sir. Thank you for having us here. Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
All the best. Thanks. Bye.